Hi guys, lesson 39 today is going to be looking at subordinating and coordinating conjunctions. So coordinating conjunctions, we've talked about these before, and, or but, and they connect words or groups of words that are similar. And when we have a compound sentence, such as, the moon often lights up the sky, but sometimes it is not visible at all, here's our coordinating conjunction. So just remember, coordinating conjunctions are and, or but. Then we have our subordinating conjunctions. And these are conjunctions that we've looked at before when we've talked about dependent clauses and adverb clauses. We're looking for words like although, because, since, if, before, as. Those are some examples. And they show how one clause is related to another. They're used at the beginning of adverb clauses. The moon's appearance changes nightly because it has different phases. Because is our subordinating conjunction. In these two sentences, one has a subordinating conjunction at the beginning of an adverb clause, and one has a coordinating conjunction. As the moon revolves around the earth, one side permanently faces us. As in this sentence is going to be our subordinating conjunction. The moon phases change nightly, and these changes are called phases. We have and it is coordinating.